making a review of 2014 S1000 RR. It has an aero full system. It's pretty loud. So I have this bike for almost 3 days, and I have my and the quick shifter with the sound is crazy. So what I like about this bike, what I don't like about this bike, so we are going to talk about it. I love the quick shifter sound whenever you flip it and see like this. Holy crap, man, that sounds good. I don't know how it feels on the camera, but it sounds badass, you know. So what I like about the S1000, what I don't like about the S1000, I will talk about in this video. It's my personal opinion, a lot of people have different. So I'm going to compare with my bikes. I have a Kawasaki 10R 2016 and 2016 Aprilia RS V4. So I'm going to compare with those bikes, how this bike compared to those bikes. So first of all, the handle position is much relaxed on these bikes. Let me do the back fashion. I love to do that. And the front brakes are really aggressive on these bikes. So yeah, I was talking about the bike. Yeah. Bike is very compact, first of all. It's very small, but it feels big, you know. From especially the handles are far outside, and handlebars are way up and close to you. Your handle is so much relaxed. I see my handle, I'm 6 foot, my arms are long, very long, and arms are really relaxed. I'm not like this, yeah. In RS-V4 and 10R, I'm sitting like this. On these bikes, I'm relaxed. You know, my both handles are relaxed, and that's a plus point, to be honest. If you want to ride it for a very long time, that's the best option. You can do it on these bikes. And second of all, the sound, man, I love the sound. The inline 4 with the quick shifter, that tuck tuck tuck, whenever you shift it, it makes that tuck noise. That is good, man. That is cool as fuck. Just hear it, okay? 1, 2. So that's what I love about the quick shifter sound. And the gauge, man, I love this. I don't like the TFT screen. There are more information, I agree, everything, but I love the speedometer RPM goes like this, you know. So that's something I always like it. That's why I love my 2016 RS V4 that much. The engine, man, the motor is really smooth, and the quick shifter are really smooth. It doesn't take any effects, so you can shift it anytime. What I don't like about this bike is cornering, man. I don't like the way the chassis feels. It feels like bike is going to slip for me. Okay, I'm comparing with the RS-V4. Of course, RS-V4 is a truck bike, but even compared to my 10R, I feel like this bike is going to slip. Hey, I'm feeling my bike is going to slip. In my 10R, I can do easily 30-40 km speed more. I'm not even trying to go to push this bike, man. I'm really scared. And the bumps, I can feel every single bumps on this bike too. So it's not my type of bike then. For me, handling is must. Brakes are really good, especially the front one, but it's too much good, you know. I'm pressing, let's say, 1-2%, and it's giving me almost 50% brake. See here, holy crap, man, it's going to flip the bike. if someone new on rider or something and doesn't have the experience, he's going to flip the bike. He's going to do the stoppie and he's going to flip the bike. And if you saw videos online, a lot of people flip the S1000 off. So yeah, man, that's a disappointed for me. See here, okay, I'm not going to press any brake. Okay, fuck, it's 10%. It's 10%. See the river. That's what I don't like about the S1000. And even suspensions are okay. It gives you bump, but it doesn't give you the confidence to lean, you know, that much. But overall package, this one S1000s are very nice. It sounds good, they perform good, and they look badass. And out of the box, they are pretty fast. They are very fast bikes. They are super duper fast bikes. Overall, Germans did a very good job on it. But I'm not confident to lean this bike. I'm going to take it very easily because this is my friend's bike, it's not my bike. The quality of this bike is very nice. It feels very stable. See, I'm going to do single hand on this bike very easily. Compared to other bikes, yeah, I feel my 10R is more stable because the fairings are fatter, and compared to my RSV4, this bike is much stable. And engine wise, compared to my RSV4, the engine is much more refined and much more smooth, you can say. My RSV4 is aggressive. It doesn't want to stay in 1 RPM. Let's say I'm cruising right here, 5,000 RPM, and if I'm going to do it on my RSV4, it's going to jog around. It doesn't like it. You have to go up in high RPM or keep moving the RPM. It doesn't like to stay in 1 RPM. Oh man, people are getting crazy. So yeah, 70-80 kilometers now of this bike. It's powerful, but below 8,000 there is nothing too much. Yeah, it's there. Go see. It's going, but it takes time, you know. Not like a V4 or I will not say it's not like RSV4 compared to RSV4. That sounds good, you know. It feels light. Feels like a light machine. After 8,000 it wakes up, you know. I will say it has a little bit slightly more power top end. Our RSV4 is all about mid and early pickup. Here you will get the very good top end compared to the RSV4. I like about that's what everyone likes about the BMW. But taking very overall bike choice, this is one of the best bike you can choose. It's fixable, it has enough power to fuck around, you know, basically. You have more than enough power to take down anyone you want, like out of the box. Short video, I hope you like it, and if you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Peace out, take care, and ride safe, you guys, you know. Nowadays a lot of people are idiots. The longest tunnel in the Qatar, so enjoy. Holy crap, man.